Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to send a PowerPoint presentation in Messenger. First, go to Microsoft Store and search for Messenger. Then click on Get to install it. Now click on Open and wait for a few seconds. And here you can choose to log in with your Facebook account, or you can log in with email and password. And once you're logged in, search for the conversation where you want to send your PowerPoint presentation. Then click on the plus icon and add attachment. And now go to the file where your presentation is saved. Then select your presentation and click on Open. Now click on Send Message. The second way to send a PowerPoint presentation in Messenger is to go to File Explorer, then drag the presentation into the Messenger app. Here you can type a message and then click on Send Message. Now you know how to send your PowerPoint presentation on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!